Lisa, I really want to go watch the football match.
Kim, we can't. You know what happened in Mexico. The big drug dealer was killed, and now his friends are destroying the country.
Ugh, sounds so much bad and terrifying.
Kim. Lisa. Come downstairs. I need to talk to you girls.
Kim, there's a surprise for you.
Okay. Mom, we are coming. So, Mom, Auntie Lara, and Uncle Smith, what do you want to talk to us about? We're here and curious, so please tell us what this special thing is.
Well, girls, we have some exciting news today.
Yes. We're all going on a fun trip to Domino's Pizza to enjoy lots of yummy food together. Are the two of you excited to come along and make it a special family and friends outing?
Hooray! We can't wait to go to Domino's Pizza. It's going to be so much fun. And when we get there, we really want to order the American barbecue pizza and crispy chicken tenders because they are our absolute favorite.
I just heard that you're all going to Domino's Pizza, and it sounds so exciting. Do you think I could come along too and join in on the fun?
Hold it right there, Dad. Nope. You can't come with us to Domino's Pizza because you always ruin our family outings. Instead, you'll be staying in your room.
What? Why not? I don't understand. Why can't I come with you all to Domino's Pizza?
You heard what Kim said. You're grounded. You're always watching children's shows and throwing tantrums. So there's no way you can come with us.
Come on, kids and Lisa. Please, just let me go with you. I promise I won't ruin anything. I really want to join in on the fun.
Sorry, Uncle Adam. Maybe next time.
Come on, everyone. Just take it easy. Let us go to Domino's Pizza. I promise I'll behave this time. I really just want to have fun with everyone.
No.
Yes, yes, yes,
No.
yes, yes, yes.
All right. Let's have some peace for a moment. Silence, guys.
Really? You're actually taking me to Domino's Pizza?
No, Adam. You're not going to Domino's Pizza with us. Instead, you'll be staying with childish cartoons.
Domino's Pizza, please, please, please. I have to go. It's not fair.
Kolanak. Fine, whatever. You're coming with us to Domino's Pizza. Are you happy now?
Oh boy. Oh boy. Yay. I can't wait. I'm so excited. This is going to be amazing.
Remember, if you misbehave, there will be no dessert for you. And then you will clean the entire house, wash the bathroom, and sleep in the garden. Anyway, let's get in the car, guys.
Wow. I really love my new family. Especially you, Johanna. Thank you for giving me a better life, treating me your neighbor like family, taking me to restaurants and doing fun things together. You're all so kind and caring. I finally feel safe and happy now. Thank you for being such good friends.
Oh, that's so sweet of you, Lara. You are very kind too. And by the way, have you ever tried their new pepperoni pizza? It's super delicious and crispy. I think you'd really love it.
I haven't tried it yet, but it sounds really yummy. I'd definitely love to try it someday.
Hello and welcome to Domino's Pizza. How may I help you all today?
1 large pepperoni pizza, 1 veggie pizza, garlic bread, and 6 drinks please. And chocolate lava cake.
Can we order everything on the menu, please?
No, Adam. We are not buying the whole restaurant.
Your order will be ready soon.
After 10 minutes.
Johanna, why is it taking so long? When will our food finally be here? I'm starving.
Don't worry, Adam. The food will be here in just a few minutes. I'm sure it won't take too long. Just try to be patient. We'll be enjoying it very soon.
You're going to starve me. Can I at least start eating my food now? I'm so hungry.
I really hate to break it to you, Dad. But not now. Sorry. You'll have to wait a little longer.
Please just let me eat. I'm starving. I can't wait any longer. I want food.
Honey, you hear that guy? He's throwing a full-on tantrum over food. I can't believe a grown man is acting like that in public.
Yeah, I see him. That childish dad is having another meltdown again. First he was whining about waiting, and now he looks ready to cry over lunch. Some people really don't know how to behave in a restaurant.
Honestly, let's get out of here before he completely ruins our lunch. If he starts yelling any louder, everyone in the place is going to lose their appetite. Come on, let's move to another table, or better yet, leave.
Dad, please act normal in public. People think we brought a toddler with us.
I'm not a toddler. I'm just hungry.
You childish crybaby man, stop throwing a fit. Everyone is staring at us because of your behavior.
But Johanna, please, and kids, please. I really want my food now. I can't wait any longer.
Dad, you heard what Mom said. Stop throwing a tantrum. You need to wait patiently instead of begging and whining. You're making me, Lisa, Auntie Laura, Uncle Smith, and Mom's ears hurt.
Too late. I want now. Why can't I eat yet? I can't wait any longer.
Dad, please stop the tantrums and try to be patient. And if you throw 2 more fits, we're taking you home. You'll have to do all the house chores and no TV for you. At home.
Idiot, Adam. Words cannot even describe how furious, angry, mad, and disappointed we are at you. We can't believe you made such a huge scene at Domino's Pizza. Just because you didn't get your food. Now we got kicked out, all because of you. You also made me feel embarrassed in front of Lara and Smith. Everyone in the restaurant was looking at us while you were crying over C. You were crying over food like a 1-year-old child. From now on, Adam, no snacks, no cartoons, no phone, no money, no restaurants, and absolutely no fun stuff at all.
But Johanna, Kim, and Lisa, I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. I didn't mean to cause so much trouble.
No. Sorry not accepted. You always behave like this, Adam. No more going out. No pizza. You are grounded. Grounded for showing a tantrum at Domino's Pizza.
Where did Adam's family go for lunch? A. McDonald's. B. KFC. C. Domino's Pizza. D. Burger King. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.